subscribe to World Information channel and click on the bell icon to see the latest technology and world information video daily.
Inside the box, you get the OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone itself along with the iconic red color USB Type-C cable and a 5V 6A charging brick. There's also a transparent cover case in addition to a welcome card by the company CEO. Unfortunately, the box doesn't include a 3.5mm to Type-C converter this year. OnePlus has gone all in with the premiumness with OnePlus 7 Pro's design. We got the Nebula Blue model that comes in addition to mirror grey and almond color variants. While the mirror grey variant is a fingerprint magnet, the Nebula Blue model has a frosted glass back that is good enough to hide fingerprints and smudges. The screen is definitely larger than before with minimal bezels on all the four sides. The smartphone comes with a 6.67-inch QHD Plus Fluid AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate to make the interface animations smooth. You also get HDR support and 19.5:9 aspect ratio this time around. In addition, you get features like video enhancer, reading mode and night mode 2.0. What powers the handset is the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor clubbed with either 6GB, 8GB or 12GB of RAM. These three come with two storage variants of 128GB or 256GB and are also the first to include UFS 3.0 inbuilt storage for faster loading time. So, one can expect a flawless performance for the most part. We'll talk more about it in our review. As far as the cameras go, OnePlus 7 Pro brings triple rear camera setup for the first time along with a front-facing pop-up camera. At the back you get a 48MP main camera with f1.6 aperture along with a 16MP ultra-wide camera and an 8MP telephoto lens. At the front there is a 16MP fixed focus pop-up camera with f2.0 aperture. It's fast and works every time even while face unlock. OnePlus is that it has given a special attention to the Oxygen OS this time and has introduced some new features such as screen recorder, Zen mode, screenshot editor, improved SMS app and more. The game mode has also been improved in the latest Android 9 Pie based Oxygen OS. More on this in the review, so stay tuned to gadgetsnow.com. Powering the smartphone is a 4000 mAh battery, which is not massive but still an upgrade over OnePlus 60's 3700 mAh battery capacity. The smartphone also supports Warp Charge 30, but unfortunately, there's still no wireless charging on board.